Hello everybody, we're in London today in the area of Bermondsey, very close to Tower Bridge. By my side there's
Leonardo Mastrofilippo.
pizza chef and instructor of Pizzaitalianacademy. Now, I think you will show us one of your specialty.
One of my invention we have done is based on season time, which is autumn. So we call autumn pizza, and we're gonna have pumpkin puree from fresh pumpkin, fresh porcini mushrooms, only sautéed in a bit oil, pork cheek, which is guanciale in Italian, and bufala mozzarella.
Do you have a name for this pizza?
Autumn pizza.
Autumn pizza, perfect. So let's go.
Let's go, we do it. Okay, now we're gonna flat our dough.
What kind of flour you use?
We use actually zero flour with germe di grano vivo, which is the middle of the grain.
Remember to our followers the name of this restaurant.
This restaurant is called Amicia Restaurant. Actually, it doesn't look Italian name. It's not Italian name, but we are based in a court called Amicia Court. So we decide to give this name because everybody knows us like Amicia, and there's a name which is very close in a word we use in Bari, where I come from, which is Amish. It means amici.
Friends,
Friends, yeah. So we finished.
what is the main ingredient of this pizza?
It's pumpkin because now this is in season, real season.
Pumpkin cream.
Pumpkin from the starter of pumpkin. We're reducing cream, adding just a little bit of shallots, which is the onion, sweet onion. So we start putting in the base the pumpkin. This is going to be following by guanciale. And the fat you can see is going to melt during the cooking and give the exactly amount of oil to the pizza. And the part of meat is going to be salty. Pumpkin is actually sweet, so. Then following by porcini, we use the hand. And after, in halfway cooking, we're gonna add the mozzarella.
The buffalo mozzarella.
Buffalo mozzarella. Slice it and sprinkle on the pizza. We don't need to cook the mozzarella because we need just to give a little bit of warmness on the mozzarella.
Okay. How long we're going to wait?
About 1 minute and a half, and then we add the mozzarella, another 30 seconds, so total 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, our minutes is gone, so now we put the mozzarella on top. Halfway cooked, so we put the mozzarella all around it. We have previously sliced. Don't slice the mozzarella too early, just at the last minute, so the milk stays in it.
Okay.
In the oven for about another 20-30 seconds.
Temperature are you using?
We're using about 380, no more. 380, 385 maximum. Okay, the pizza is now cooked. Voila. This is our pizza. Autumn pizza. Pumpkin, porcini mushrooms, guanciale, buffalo mozzarella. Sweet, salty, and melting.
So with this fantastic pizza, we say goodbye to you, and remembering that if you want to learn how to do that and to follow one of our professional pizza course, you can contact us, and if you are in London, you can come here to Amisha restaurant with Leonardo Mastrofilippo and get this course. Bye bye.
Bye bye. We're ready to teach you, guys. Waiting for you.
Stand by.